Embattled Central Westmoreland Member of Parliament George Wright has stated his intention to remain in the constituency and run in the next general election. After months of being at the center of controversy, Mr. Wright finally broke his silence in an interview with the Gleaner on Friday. Kelisha Williams has that story.
Jamaicans have been waiting with bated breath for this man, Central Westmoreland Member of Parliament George Wright, to address the country after a video surfaced in April showing a man beating a woman with a stool. Now, after months of being tight-lipped, Mr. Wright has spoken, but he stayed clear of the one topic that people are most interested in.
How people come first, right? And I don't support the use of abuse to anyone, whether woman, man, boy, girl, I don't, even animal.
The police could not link Mr. Wright to the video, and so the investigation ended. However, just over a week ago, he resigned from the Jamaica Labour Party and is now an independent member of parliament. But there has been public outcry for him to resign from representational politics. Now, speaking with the Gleaner's Mark Titus, Mr. Wright refused to yield to pressure for him to pack up and go.
I don't really have much comment to say and those. I don't really have much to say. Just that, you know, I am one of those persons who want to see, you know, a well-developed constituency, and, you know, and we'll be working with the people.
But what's his relationship with the constituents now, especially the women?
Well, you know, with the, you mean in the whole controversy?
Yes.
I wouldn't comment on that one, right? I wouldn't comment.
Just last Tuesday, Mr. Wright shocked Gordon House when he returned to the House of Representatives 2 weeks before his leave of absence expired. So what's his plan now? Mr. Wright went as far as indicating that he'll be putting himself forward to represent the people of Central Westmoreland in the next general election.
I've been working over the years, and the people know that I'm easily reached, so they will still connect with me wherever I go.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.